Everyone has ideas. Most people do nothing with them. Here's why. What to do instead? People overthink. They wait for the perfect moment and the perfect plan and the perfect tools and research for months and build nothing. The idea stays in their head and slowly dies. Now, at this point, someone always asks me, Alessandro, you work 10 hours a day, you have a daughter, you build projects, and you make videos. When do you actually sleep? No, seriously, I'm not going to sell you the 4 a.m. grind set no sense. The truth is you don't need more time, you need less perfection. I don't build things because I have free time. I have no free time actually. I build things because I stopped waiting for things to be perfect before I start. Step 1. Just write it down. Don't think too much. Don't open a spreadsheet. Just grab a piece of paper and write what's in your head. It doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to be complete. The moment you put it outside your brain, it starts to exist. That's it. That's the first step. Step 2. Build something terrible. Make the ugliest, simplest version of your idea. It doesn't need to work well. It doesn't need to look good. It just needs to exist. My first sensor node, type, wires, and prayer. What was real? I could touch it, and that changed everything. Step 3. Show it to someone. Don't keep it to yourself. Show a friend. Post online. Let someone to see it. Not because you need them to say, wow, great job. No. You need them to say, what about this? Or this part doesn't make sense. That's good stuff. That's how the idea gets better. Step 4. Keep going and do it where people can see you. Don't disappear. Don't go quit for months trying to make it perfect. Share what you're doing. The good days, the bad days, the days where you nothing work. People will follow the journey, and when you share, you can't quit. It keeps you going. An idea in your head is worth nothing. An idea on your breadboard, even a bad one, is worth everything. Stop planning, start building, and stop sleeping.